Yeah, hello guys. So I've partnered with Oraimo to showcase the new Oraimo Smart Air Fryer and its capabilities. So make sure you like, subscribe, and like this video. Yeah, so first of all, I would like to thank Oraimo for the opportunity and the partnership for me to review this amazing product for you all to watch. Yeah, so this is me unboxing the Oraimo Smart Air Fryer. So let's enjoy the unboxing process. So the other side is straighten less oil, more crunch, and this is the Oraimo Smart Air Fryer boldly drawn here. So as you can see, these are the features of the Oraimo Smart Air Fryer boldly written with their logos on it. So as you can see, we have the OHAF210N with the less oil, more crunch boldly written on it. So we got the UK version, the UK plug version, and it has 365 warranty boldly written on it. With the QR codes for authenticating this device. So this is the user manual that comes with the Oraimo Smart Air Fryer. Make sure you go through to know how to set this up, how to clean it, or how to set up various dishes, and how to control the cooking time and the cooking temperature with the device. Very necessary. So make sure you get that in mind. So the Oraimo Smart Air Fryer was coated with a lot of rubber and packaging before you even lay your hands on the main device itself. So this shows how protected the device was for shipping purposes. So this is me unwrapping the last coating before I check out the other features of this device. So this is basically the temperature and the cooking time controls of the Smart Air Fryer, and also this is the design. You can see the good plating with the tuning controls, the handle, and the other side of it. So you can see there are various pictures of dishes you can try with this device, boldly written with their pictures on it, and how you can control the temperature and the cooking time with this device. So you can see this is the 5-liter capacity of the Smart Air Fryer, capable for all big sizes of foods. And this is the clear cooking visibility, so you can see where your food has gotten to and all that. So let's fry some eggs with the Oraimo Smart Fryer, and let's see how best it performs with our own manual tuning control, the temperature and the cooking time. So let's enjoy the cooking process. So as it states, less oil, more crunch. We are using less oil, and let's see how best it performs with this tiny amount of oil in our plate. So here we are spreading the eggs into the bowl evenly, so we get a precise shape of the egg after everything. So let's enjoy. Yeah, so over here we use our precise cooking time and temperature. So we set the time to 3 minutes and the temperature to about 180 degrees for the first time. Since it was our first time, we're just playing around with the temperature and the timer. So 180 degrees under 3 minutes. Let's see how best it does with the first time cooking with the Oraimo Smart Air Fryer. So you can see the visibility, you can see how everything is going on through the clear visibility window. So after 3 minutes, this is how it turned out. So we have to turn it for the other side to also fry. I really don't know if this is the right process, but this is how we went about it, and after another 2 minutes everything was ready for testing. Yeah, so let's enjoy the process. So after everything was ready, we had to check out if it was true that there's no scent, and the scent from this Oraimo Smart Air Fryer is just amusing. So there's no bad odor, and the food was neatly cooked without sticking to the pan. So you can see, you can just wipe it with just a tissue and everything will be cleaned. So this is me dishing out the egg and testing it to see whether this Smart Air Fryer really did a good job to it. So let's enjoy. So I think personally I like the overall design of this product, and I like how you can customize your time and temperature, and even they recommended various dishes and the temperature and the timer you should set for everything. It's very accurate. You don't just have to be trying or maybe doing trial and error with this device. Just go according to their manual and everything is set up. You can see it has a big 5 liter capacity, so you can cook a big portion of food the same time, and you don't have to maybe be cooking maybe portions or maybe one at a time. You can see the clear visibility of your food anytime you are cooking, so you just know how the temperature is good for the food or maybe not, so you change it. And I think overall I just like the design and everything. Yeah, so overall this device cost about 850 cedis in Ghana and equivalent to $54, of which you can get a 5% discount if you use the code Kwame Fortune when checking out. And make sure you drop your thoughts about this device in the comments below. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and share it to your friends as well. You can also share your thoughts and your questions in the comments below, and I'll be glad to answer them all. And make sure you comment your best feature or maybe what you want Oraimo to add to these devices. I personally think maybe they should also let us customize this Smart Air Fryer with the Oraimo accessories app, and that would be a good feature. Let's say you are indoors and you just set up a timer on your phone, and anytime it's finished cooking or maybe preparing your dish, it just alert you on the phone and you just turn it off right from your app before you even move to your kitchen to check it out.